live letter came because of our show. It's from Tom from Londonderry, New Hampshire. Tom is an artist.
Yeah, we found actual newspaper articles about Tom.
Yeah.
In the Dairy News.
So he made a card to start with. When I opened it, he paints, in this particular case, he painted on a sugar maple leaf. And he reminded me in the letter, he said, "It's maple syrup time. Love your videos. Hope you keep them going. Tom."
Thanks, Tom.
Yeah, and we are going to keep them going. But this was just amazing. This is right out of one of our videos when I was tapping trees and getting ready to boil. Picked the right maple leaf to put it on. You can always tell when the little armpits, I call them in here, are rounded like this, it's a sugar maple. The ones that go into a point are the red maples. But anyway, I digress. I'm excited to have this, and I'm going to mount this and frame it for my wall in my shop. So that'll be always with us. And thank you, Tom, so much. That was very, very thoughtful of you.
And thanks for watching. And thank you to everyone else who watches.
Yeah.
Feel free to send lots of gifts.
Yes. Gold time.
Yeah.
Yeah, just your comments is very appreciated very much. But if you can check out Tom's Leave.
Yeah.
Londonderry, New Hampshire. He also paints on feathers and bark.
Yeah, and they even mentioned spider webs, so I'm not sure. I'll have to see that.
I want to see that.
Yeah. That's
be interesting to see. Yeah.
Cool.
It's always great to hear from people.
Our tribe.
Our viewers. So thank you.
Thanks.